just had another swarm this year. This will be our third swarm, which we was expecting it. If you'll see how calm these bees are, I mean, I'm not wearing no protection whatsoever. I'm not saying that is a good practice, but usually when they're swarmed, they're all about getting to the queen, and they're not really, I mean, it ain't gonna affect them anyway whatsoever. So all I'm gonna do is pull this tree down, shake this tree, have them all fall. If the queen goes in this box, all the bees will be going in this box. You'll see a little bee march, they call it, and we'll just know. If they keep going back up here, I know I didn't get the queen bee. Ready? Give me a video. See, I'm standing in here, nothing going on. Bees is not bothering me because they're worried about getting to the queen. I'll shake this tree again.
Right here. There's the bee march.
She'll let off she's going to let off her aroma. She lets off her aroma, and that tells the worker bees where she's at, and that's why they're focused on her totally. They're not even focused on me.
No, I probably won't film that much of it.
We need to get them back. They ain't falling back up on that tree, are they?
No, they're going in it.
That's a pretty big swarm, wasn't it?
It's bigger than the last one.
Got the entrance board, hose right here. And on these boards, you put them on and you slide them.
You get in there too. Are they steep? Alright guys, we got our beehive moved from this apple tree over here and put it in its new spot along with the other 2 swarms we've got. So we're going to leave them here, and we'll check them in here in about 1 to 2 weeks and see how they're doing. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe.